and so hard to love my heart, but not the way that I do love you. Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. God, I've never loved one like you. And oh my best friend, I scream into the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing pleased me more than you. Oh, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. La 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 la, take me home. Mother, I'm coming home. I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. God, I never loved one like you. Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I'll be here everywhere with you. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the street we run free, like it's only you and me. Geez, you're something to see. Oh, let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Oh, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Oh, home. Let me come home. Home is whenever.
How long have you worked for Schaefer?
I don't know, maybe like 30 years.
Damn!
I came the first time when I came in 1992, 93, something like that. I got like 90 years.
Impressive.
Yeah.
Dang. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
How long have you worked here?
8 years.
8 years? Is it good or no?
Yeah, that's good.
That's pretty good. It's what harvest are we in? Corn harvest?
Yeah,
Corn harvest?
corn harvest. Yeah.
How many days have we been working?
We working on corn harvest.
Yeah.
Maybe 25 days.
Oh, it's long.
Yeah.
It's long hours or no?
Oh yeah.
Long hours.
We started 6 in the morning to 8 or 9.
Yeah. Let's go to potatoes after or no?
No, not potatoes.
No potatoes.
Only silage,
Silage,
corn silage,
corn, and that's it. That's grain.
grain. Yeah,
yeah.
that's the food.